Roadster to take a look at. 1965 Cobra replica. This particular one is a Factory 5 Mk4 Roadster. It is titled as 2018 reconstructed. Since it is a replica, has approximately 1,100 miles on it, just a shade over. Powered by a 5-liter V8 fuel-injected engine, Coyote, underneath the hood. That is paired up with a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. Also nicely equipped, actually has power steering, wipers, which you're going to see there's no armatures or the wiper blades on it, but the wipers do work. The posts are right there. Wipers are in the trunk. Also has heat and defrost for a chilly morning or evening if you're driving this. Now, if you want to check out the still picture, so you can see the engine bay, check out the underside of this, take a look at the things I talk about in this video, feel free to check out the pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Let's take a look at the front end. Aluminum radiator. This car was finished in 2020. And again, it only has a little over 1,100 miles on it. So paint, condition of the car, very nice. Interior, bucket seats. They're S5 seats, black vinyl. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this car. The knockoff style wheels. See, knockoff lookalikes, I should say. There's also badging if you wanted to put the Factory 5 badging anywhere here. In the front fender area, there is badging that's also in the trunk that will be included in a box, as well as all the manuals for the fuel injection system, for the power steering. So all the manuals that would have been with the equipment that is on this car, as well as the original Factory 5 manual, also in the trunk with a cover. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in an email. Battery was located in the trunk also. Some of the equipment, let me give you a rundown on this that I just kind of found going through the manuals on this before doing the video. It is a KRC power steering setup. Electronic gauges and speedo, and I believe it was autometer. Again, that EFI fuel system. You can see it does have the wind wings if you look in the still pictures. Simpson seat belts. It does have a Dynomat insulation procedure done to it too, as far as in the trunk and the sides, keep down on the vibration, the road noise, engine noise. I mentioned the windshield wipers. It does have Willwood brakes. Disc at all 4 corners. That's kind of a rundown on the equipment. Let's take a look at this driver's side, and I'm going to go ahead and start it up, let you hear it run here in just a second too. A nice looking white paint combination, the classic white with the blue stripe. All right, let's check out this interior a little bit. We'll start it up, look at the engine bay, wrap up this video. So again, carpeting, interior, all reflects 1,100 miles. It's basically like new. Take a look at the dash setup. Here's your miles. I clicked the key on so we could look at it without the car running. 1102, tachometer on this side, blinker indicators, high beam, and those can be run by switches. Blinkers here, horn button here, lights here. This was windshield wiper, and you have flashers and high beams down here, just below the key switch there. So let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We're in neutral. Alright. Tachometer working. Oil pressure. Water temp. Had it running a little bit. Make sure that came up. Same with oil temp. Clock's working. Volts and fuel. This is also the temperature and the fan speed for the heater and defrost. Alright. Passenger seat, again, same condition as the driver's seat. What you'd expect for that kind of miles. Step back, nothing crazy and obnoxious. Although the weight to horsepower ratio of this car, not for the faint of heart, inexperienced drivers, this car will get up and move. pause this a second. I want to pop this hood open real quick for us. We'll check out that engine bay and wrap this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's that Coyote 5-liter. Fuel injected V8. Also, if you notice, there's hood struts on this, so you don't have a hood prop rod, anything like that. Nice